Then now we will discuss regarding problems in first unit. Okay, first we need to know few formulas. Diode current equation formula. Diode current equation formula I is equal to I naught into power by beta Vt minus 1. Okay, from this I can write I is equal to I naught into, if you send inside this, e power V by beta Vt minus I. Okay, here compared to this term, okay, this is very small value, neglect it. Okay, if you neglect that, I is equal to I naught into power V by beta V. This one I can call it as a forward current. IF is equal to I naught into e power V suffix f by, okay, eta Vt. This is one of the important formula. Okay, this is also one of the formula. Okay, now here first you need to know few things. Okay, IF is forward current. Forward current. Okay, next one. I naught is reverse saturation current. Reverse saturation current. Okay. Next, P is applied voltage. Applied voltage. Okay. Eta is ideal factor. Ideal factor for silicon. Eta is equal to 1. For germanium, eta is next. Pt is thermal voltage. Thermal voltage. For this, we have direct value. Vt is equal to Kt by Q. Or K is a Boltzmann constant. Q is a Kt by Q. Q is a electron charge. Okay, charge of electron. These value if you substitute directly, you can remember E divided by 11,600. Or T plus T is equal to 27 degrees Celsius or 300 Kelvin. This is in degree Celsius, this is in Kelvin. If we substitute this one, degree Kelvin, okay, then Pt is equal to 300 divided by 7,600. If you substitute, you'll get 0.0256 something. I can write 26 volts or 26 milli in the sense into 10 power minus 3 volts. These values we should know. Okay. Now we have very important formula is I is equal to I naught into e power v by eta Vt minus 1. This is not, minus 1 is not in power, or If is equal to I naught into e power by eta, these two formulas. And we already known that dynamic resistance RAC or RD is equal to dV by di is equal to, we got, okay, eta Vt by If. Sorry, If by eta Vt. If by eta Vt. That is equal to If in the sense I naught into e power V by eta V by eta V. Next, sorry, this is the AC resistance or dynamic resistance, or static resistance, or RDC is equal to V by I. That I can write that F by IF, because it occurs in forward bias. That is equal to Vf by IF, in the sense I naught into e power V by the. Okay, this is two formulas we got. Next one is the diffusion capacitance. Diffusion capacitance equal to, we got it as a tau by RD, that is equal to, okay, RD IF by eta Vt, substitute here, we'll get tau into IF by eta. Okay, these four are enough. Okay, we will solve few of the problems which they asked in university. See here. Yeah. Here small mistake. For germanium, sorry, for germanium 1, for silicon. Eta is equal to 1 for germanium, 2 for silicon. Sorry. This, yeah. Now one simple problem. 2 times they asked. Okay. December 2005 and June 2009 they asked me this question. See here in JNU problem. Determine the value of forward current in case of a PN junction diode. In case of a PN junction diode, with I naught is equal to 10 microampere and Vf is equal to 0.8 volts at T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Assume silicon diode. So the answer is very simple. Determine the forward current IF. Okay, first we need to know the formula well and what they asked. The required data. Okay, the given data is noted down. IF is equal to IF. We need to find in case of PN junction with I naught they given 10 microampere. Okay, Vf they given 0.8 volts. T they given the 300 Kelvin. Okay, these data they given. Then IF is equal, directly given formula is I naught into e power Vf by eta Vt. In this I not known value, Vf also they given, eta for silicon they given, silicon diode, then eta is equal to 2. And when temperature we know, just now we said that Vt is equal to 0.026 or 26 into 10 power minus 3. Substitute all, If is equal to I naught micro, 10 into micro in the sense 10 power minus 6 into e power, Vf is 0.8 volts by eta is 2 into Vt 0.026. Okay. 2 into 0.026. If you calculate these are, we'll get okay, calculate this in the test book. I don't have calci, you calculate 0.2 amperes is given, but definitely it should be in milliampere. Okay. You check it. Answer, okay, not issue. Answer is not issue. You try it. Okay. This is the way we can solve the problem. To solving the problem, first we need to know the formula, and in the given statement, what are the parameters they given, and how we okay how to substitute in that one, and micro value. Okay, these all we should know. Next, one more problem we will discuss. See, same type of question. See, the reverse saturation current. The reverse saturation current of a silicon PN junction of a silicon PN junction diode is 10 microampere. Calculate diode current. Calculate diode current for the forward bias voltage 0.6 volts at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, now simple. Here also they asked, okay, first they given data, no, the solution. Given data is the reverse saturation current of silicon. Okay, they given. Okay, silicon, when you heard eta is equal to 2, reverse saturation current I naught is equal to 10 microampere. Okay, calculate diode current. Diode current in the sense I we need to find out. Okay, for the forward bias voltage, Vf is equal to 0.6 volts. Okay, temperature T is equal to 25 degrees Celsius they given. They didn't ask room temperature. Then what we need to do? Vt is equal to, we have the value is, okay, T divided by 11,600. But here T, you need to find out, okay, here degree Celsius they given, but we need to find out degree Celsius, Kelvin, we need to convert to Kelvin in the sense, plus 273. Degree Celsius plus 273, we need to add 298 will come. Okay, Vt is equal to, you can take it as a, you can get it as a 0.0257 volts. Calculate Vt. Or 25 degrees Celsius, room temperature is, I said that 27 degrees Celsius, right? It's approximately equal, you can take it as a 0.026 volts. By practice on it will get. Okay, you can take approximately 0.026 volts. This is standard value. If it is very close to the 27, 25 degrees, here 298 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin. Okay, it's a very close value. You can take this one. Okay, substitute these on. Okay, everything we got it right. And here current. Here, listen. Diode current they given. Okay, see here. Diode current in the sense I is equal to I naught into e power V by eta Vt minus 1. You can use this formula. Okay, this is P. Or you can use IF is equal to I naught into e power Vf by eta Vt. You can use this formula also. Because why? See here. Here I naught, if you send this inside, I naught value how much? 10 microampere in the sense 0.00001 ampere, right? This value should be negligible. That's why this one I am neglecting always. To easy of, okay, to solve the problem, this minus one I am neglecting. You can use this formula, you will get same answer. This one also you can get same answer. Substitute. I naught known value, Vf we know, eta is 2, Vt is 0.026 volts. Okay, and for resistance, okay, to finding out the resistance, we will see one more formula. See here. First, see, find the one more problem. Okay. Find the, this is also JNT question. 2 times they asked. Find the value of DC and AC resistance. Find the DC and AC value of the resistance of a germanium diode. At 25 °C with I naught is equal to 25 microampere and at an applied voltage of 0.2 volts across the diode. See, simple thing. Okay, this type of question they ask 3 times, man. JNT, no, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but same. See here. Okay, R DC. Okay, next R AC. R DC also called as, okay, we can also call it static resistance, that is equal to, I said that VF V by I or VF by IF. RAC is equal to, I given that dV by di is equal to, we got that IF by, sorry, this formula I given wrong. Sorry, wait. Yeah, this formula I given wrong. Sorry. Yeah, this is I given wrong. dV by di, right? It has to reverse. Sorry, here I given wrong. Sorry. Okay. Eta Vt by IF. Okay, eta Vt by IF. Sorry. Here, then we'll get eta Vt by IF. Okay, these two are the formulas we need to find out. Okay, the given data, check it first. Okay, what they given, we need to find out RDC, RAC of a T is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. See here, this one I can take approximately 27 degrees Celsius, right? then I can take Vt is equal to 0.026 volts. Okay. Next, I naught is equal to 25 microampere. Okay. Next one is applied voltage V is equal to 0.2 volts, and they given germanium diode eta is equal to 1. Eta is equal to 1. Okay, these all. First, in this formula, we need to find out IF. IF is equal to, what is the formula? IF is equal to I naught into e power V by eta Vt. Substitute these are I naught known value 25 micro, 25 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, into e power 0.2 by eta is 1 into 0.026. If you substitute these all, you will get 54 point, okay, 6 54.7 milliampere will get IF. Okay, now if you know IF, then you can substitute in this value. RDC is equal to, what is the formula? RDC is equal to VF by IF, or V by IF. Okay, V is already they given 0.2 volts by, okay, 54.7 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, if you solve this one, 3.65 ohm. Okay, RAC is equal to, okay, we know that eta Vt by IF. Okay, eta is 1 into 0.026 volts by 0.0. IF is 54.10 power minus 3. Then here we'll get 0.47 ohm. 0.47 ohm. That's it. Okay. Next, one more problem. This question, see here. Okay, calculate dynamic forward and reverse resistance of a PN junction diode. Okay, when applied voltage is 0.25 volts at T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay, comma given I naught is equal to 2 microampere. See, the solution is see here, dynamic forward. Dynamic in the sense, or sorry, it's not a DC, it's a AC. Dynamic in the sense, or AC, we need to find reverse resistance. We got new thing. Okay, reverse resistance R is equal to V by IR. I naught you can write. I naught is a reverse saturation current. RAC we need to find. Then what is the formula? We know. Okay, and the reverse resistance, capital R suffix R, reverse resistance, we need to find out. Okay, these two we need to find. Okay, first RAC is equal to, what is the formula? RAC is equal to dV by di is equal to eta Vt by IF. Okay, first we need to find the given data. First we'll see PN junction applied voltage. Applied voltage in the sense P is equal to 0.25 volts at T is equal to 300 Kelvin. T is equal to 300 Kelvin. T is equal to 300 Kelvin in the sense Okay, we know that Vt is equal to 0.026 volts. Okay. Next, I naught is they given that 2 microampere. Okay, and it's a silicon germanium they didn't mention, but you have to take it as a silicon only. Silicon in the sense for silicon, because 99% of the devices made from the silicon, you have to take the silicon only. Then first we need to find out IF. IF is equal to, okay, I naught into e power b by eta dt. I naught is 2 micro, 10 power minus 6. E power v is 0.25 volts by 2 into 0.026. If we calculate this, we will get 0.24 milliamperes. 0.24 or 25 milliamperes. 24 milliamperes you will get. This is IF. Then RAC is equal to eta 2 into Vt is 0.026 by 0.24 into 10 power minus 3 millimeters. If you calculate this, you will get 216.67 ohm. This is dynamic forward resistance. Reverse resistance, this is a new formula we get. Reverse resistance, okay, reverse resistance R suffix R. R suffix R. R suffix R is equal to V by I naught. I naught is the reverse saturation. Reverse resistance in the sense I naught. V is 0.25. I naught they given 2 microampere. 2 microampere is 2 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, then we'll get, if you solve this one, 125 kilo ohm. 125 kilo ohm. Reverse resistance. This is a new formula. Just applied voltage by reverse saturation current. Okay, if you observe here, 3 resistance ma. R, okay, static resistance or DC resistance V by I. Okay, AC resistance is dV by di, that is equal to eta Vt by I F. Next one, reverse resistance is V by I naught. Okay, by using this one, they asked 6 times question. Okay, thank you.